everybody, Mr. Traveler here. Today we're going to take a look at the MSC Magnifica, which is currently doing 3- and 4-night sailings with a few longer sailings sprinkled in out of Miami for the 2024 season. So come along with us as we walk around the ship and let's see if this is a good fit for you. It's a good budget option for a weekend cruise out of Miami. If you would be so kind, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel so that you know when we go live or upload videos like this. Alright, without further ado, let's take a look at the MSC Magnifica. So let's start at the inside spaces and at the top of the ship. At the very back of deck 14 is a large disco T32. This is a huge venue to dance the night away aboard the MSC Magnifica. Moving down to the forward of deck 13, we have the Aurora Spa. Here you have all the spa services that you expect on board a cruise ship, as well as the gym area, which has treadmills, stationary bikes, and other workout equipment for all your needs. And at the aft of deck 13 is this lovely outdoor eating area, which has a beautiful panoramic view off the back of the ship. And located directly in front of this eating area is the main buffet, the Sahara Buffet, which serves breakfast, lunch, and dinner every day. Well, now we head on down to deck 7, where we have a beautiful lounge at the aft of the ship. We have the photo shop, photo gallery, the sports bar, a cigar room, the cyber cafe, the Oriental Plaza, which is the only specialty dining on board the ship, the art gallery, card room, library, and for those feeling lucky, the Atlantic City Casino. Making our way down to deck 6 on board the MSC Magnifica, we find the Tiger Bar, the Tabasio Bar, a variety of shops and boutiques, the Future Cruise Desk, the Quattro Venti main restaurant, and the main theater on board the ship, the Royal Theater. Now on deck 5 we have the reception guest area as well as guest services, the Lagochi bar, and the Ladera restaurant. Let's head to the outside decks. Deck 16 is home to the exclusive Top 16 solarium for the Aurora guests, as well as the Bar de Soleil. On the other end of the ship on deck 16 is the sports arena. And finally, deck 13 midship is home to the Lido deck. Here you'll find a kiddie pool, and you'll find two main pools, including this one here on the main deck. And then there's also one a little further back under the retractable dome called Le Grand Blue Pool area. We'd like to thank you so much for taking time to watch this tour. Make sure you stay tuned for the pros and cons of this ship. If you would be so kind to like, subscribe, and share this video with your family and friends. And if we can help you book that dream vacation, please give us a call at 877-697-4470. Or you can book online at www.mr-traveler.com. Thanks so much for watching. Life's short. Have fun. See the world. Bye, everybody.